Tighten a headboard. After some time, you may have to check out your headboard. Inspect the fitting. You may need to tighten it once again. Even if your sleeping habits are normal, it can still happen. If you have children, expect them to treat your headboard roughly. So, you have to be more watchful. When parts of your headboard are already worn out, replace them promptly. Safety is definitely an issue once your headboard starts to separate from your bed's frame. It is also annoying and frustrating if your headboard gets loose. It is going to hit the wall every time you move. Here are some simple instructions on how you can tighten your headboard. Begin by checking the bolt that connects your bed's frame directly to the headboard. Is the nut still tightly attached? If it is already loose, tighten it so you can secure the attachment. You can only conveniently assess the condition of your bed's headboard by pulling the mattress and the box spring forward. That should give you enough room to work. It is important that you get an easy access to your bed's frame. You can remove the bolt using either a screwdriver or a wrench. Most of the time, your screwdriver is enough to let you handle any kind of headboard. If the bolt is loose, let its bottom stick into your screwdriver so you can tighten it. After that, go to the top. Tighten it up, too. You know it's very tight when the bolt is already firm. If what you have is an old bed, it may still squeak even if you have tightened it up. You can get rid of that irritating sound by putting some lubricant. Target the spot where the squeaking is heard. Add some more lubricant until the sound is gone. Inspect the bolt that currently attaches the headboard to your bed. Can it properly support the headboard? If it is a bit small, go to a nearby home improvement outlet or hardware store. Buy a larger bolt so you can replace the smaller one. That should prevent any trouble from happening. Scrutinize the headboard. Is the hole already too large? If it is, then you have to implement some adjustments. If the bolt's head is starting to slip into the hole, buy a new washer. Position it right next to your headboard. Once you have changed the nut, don't forget to tighten it well. Has the headboard gotten too sloppy? Don't worry. The solution is simple. Consider drilling another hole. Create the hole about an inch away from the original. The size of the new hole should be similar to the old one. You should also estimate if the distance of the new hole is appropriate to the brace of your headboard. Don't panic if your bed's headboard gets loose. That's part of your bed's wear and tear. Nothing is wrong. Nothing has been broken. You can solve your problem by checking out and adjusting the bolt that holds it to your bed's metal frame. Hopefully, the instructions listed above can provide great help.